Lots of you were asking why I'm making this, why I'm installing an amplifier and a subwoofer. One thing is to add a bass, add low notes, and the other is feed the front speakers, which are Hertz DSK165. Feed them from the amplifier in order to squeeze all the juices from them, because the OEM head unit is not capable to drive them at full power, so why not to take all the best from them. I will continue routing the power supply wire. At the moment it's routed from the battery to the inside of the car. Now it's lying right here in the back part of the inside. I need to remove the covers and place it to the boot. After that I will also in parallel route the speaker wires, the line output wire. So firstly, let's remove those dusts and garbage from the car. So let's lift this off. It's very easy. Of course, these are falling off all the time. Now we have to remove this plastic. Metal clips are falling off also. Let's remove the seats. Okay, we have removed this cover. Oh, there is not very much of the damage I made. I see there's fallen off clips. soak on this right in. One clip there. One clip there. And that's it. This one will be left. So at last I have managed to take those wire through the covers. It comes out right here through the gap between the plastic and the box holes inside. Yeah, I will place them a little higher under this place. Now let's tuck them into the wire tunnel if we will be able to do that. There's not very much space here. It's quite okay. Here it will go. Okay, let's try. As you can see, there's a nice gap here, so wires are here. So for this time it's enough, I think. Next time I will take out the head unit, I will disassemble it, I will install an amplifier for line outputs. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support me. You can share this video, leave a comment, what do you think. See you next time.